Hello children, a very good morning. Hope you all are fine. So children, today we are going to discuss a new lesson, that is I can find my bat. Okay. Now before moving into the lesson, let me tell you, how do you help at home? Take the things you do. In our EVS, we have learned that we should help at home, right? And we have also learnt about how we can help at home to our parents, to our grandparents, etc. Right? So how do you help at home? Take the things you do. So here some tasks are given. You have to read that and you have to tick whether you do to help at home or not. Okay? Put clothes in the cupboard. Do you do that? If you do, you tick that. Okay? Help dry the dishes. If you do, you put tick. So read this all and put tick if you do that things to help at home. Now moving to the new words, match these words with their meanings. Okay? Tidy. Tidy means neat. N-E-A-T, neat. So this is one. You have to write one. Messy means what? The opposite of neatness. That is very dirty. Okay? Tidy up means what? Tidy up means to put things in the correct place. That means to make the place neat and clean. Next one is what? Upset. Upset means sad or angry. So here you have to write 4. Trick. Trick means what? To make someone believe a lie. Now moving into the lesson. So this is the lesson. Manav. So here one boy is there named Manav. So let's read how the story is. Manav came back from school at 2:30 in the afternoon, right? So here this is the time when Corona was not there and children used to go to school. He was in a hurry to go out and play cricket. Okay, Manav was what? After coming from school in the afternoon, he was in a hurry to go out and play cricket. Do you also play, boys? Okay. He threw his bag on the floor. He kicked his shoes under the table. He dropped his water bottle on the bed. Do you also do like this? No, right? And he means who? Manav. He left his uniform on the floor. Okay? So he is the pronoun here. Instead of Manav, we have used he here. Okay? So Manav is a noun, proper noun. He is a pronoun. Now, he left his uniform on the floor itself. You can see it. Okay. Here the bottle, here the bag, here the uniform. Now Manav's mother was tired of telling him to be tidy. That means Manav's mother was tired of telling him so many times to keep the things clean and organized. She said, Manav, your room is very untidy. You can see untidy means the opposite of clean. Messy, that means. Why don't you learn to be tidy? Next, what happened? Manav looked at her, at his mother, but did not tidy up his room. He picked up his bat and ran out. That means he did not listen to his mother because he was in a hurry to play cricket with his friends. Manav called his mother. You can see here. Manav did not stop. Mother was upset. Upset means what? Yes, angry or sad, you can see. Grandmother was watching her. You can see here grandmother is sitting. She thought, I must teach Manav good habits. Now she thought that yes, I should teach Manav good habits. He does not listen when we tell him to tidy up his room. I have to trick him. That means I have to make him listen to my advice or parents' advice. After Manav went to school, the next day she hid his bat under a pile of books. So what the grandmother did is she hid the bat under a pile of books. Okay? Why? Because already the room is messy. So if also I'll hid the bat, he will not get the bat. So the next day when Manav returned from school, he threw his bag on the floor. He left his shoes near the table. He threw his uniform on the floor. Okay, as usual. Then he started looking for his bat. Now he wanted to go out to play cricket. But now he started looking for his bat. Okay. But Oh no, where was... Can you tell me where is his bat? Manav looked under the table. He looked under the bed also. He looked on the table. He looked on the bed. He moved the clothes and looked under them. It was not there, right? Then he called his mother. Mother, where is my bat? He shouted. Mother said, look in your room. You will find it somewhere. Manav started looking everywhere, but the bat was not there. He could hear his friends calling. Manav looked everywhere once again, right? Because he did not got the bat. He still could not find the bat. He started crying. Do you cry when you don't get anything for what you are searching? Okay. His grandmother came into the room. Okay. She said, Manav, if you have a place for everything, you can always find the things you want. Okay. Why don't you and I tidy up room? So, his grandmother said that let's tidy up the room. That means what? If we will organize the room, we can get your bat. Then Manav said, yes, grandma. Together they put the things away in their places. Okay, you can see the neat and clean room, right? Now Manav can find everything he wants because he knows where he keeps them. Then after that he got the bat also, for which he was searching. Then complete the comprehension. I'll send you. So here this vocabulary is there. You have to match the words with the meanings. I'll send you. You have to copy this in your English book. Now children, we have already learnt about pronoun, right? So noun. Noun is what? The names of people, places, things, animals. But what you mean by pronoun is, the pronoun is the word which is a replacing word for noun. For example, you can see here, Manav looked under the table. He looked under the bed. Now, he is the replacing word for Manav. Yes or no? So, the replacing word, that means he means who? Manav only. But we have replaced Manav with he. So, he stands for Manav in the second sentence. The word he is a pronoun. Here are some other pronouns. Okay. I, me, we, us, you, he, him, she, her. It, they, them are called as pronouns. Okay children, these are called as personal pronouns. So what you have to do is you have to fill this with correct pronoun. So if the person you are referring is a boy, then you have to use he or him. If that is a girl, then you have to replace with she or her. If that is plural, you have to use we. If you are using that for yourself, then I you have to use. So complete this one. I will send you. Similarly, punctuation already you know, you have to end with full stop and you have to start with capital letter. That you have to remember and you have to correct. So complete this one.